Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best portable GFCI is probably one of the most essential safety devices you can have for any job site, outdoor activity, or even around your home, especially when dealing with temporary power sources or working near water, ensuring that you and your equipment are protected from dangerous electrical shocks and potential electrocution, making it an indispensable tool for peace of mind and safety. Number 5. Southwire Shock Shield 15A Inline GFCI Cord. Introducing the Southwire Shock Shield 15A Inline GFCI. It offers quick trip response, ensuring safe use for your outdoor tools and extension needs. This GFCI electrical device is perfect for ensuring safety on job sites, in workshops, and even at home. It's a reliable tool for any electrical task. No matter the situation, at home or on a job site, this tool is designed to make your work more convenient and efficient. You can trust this tool. It's constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Southwire is committed to providing innovative products and services. We deliver on our promises, offering you reliable power solutions. This durable electric cord features a manual reset and a lit tri-source end for added convenience. It's designed for demanding environments. What we like. This inline GFCI offers a manual reset for direct control. If you need to manually reset the GFCI after a trip and prefer a straightforward, durable solution for job sites or workshops, this is a great choice. Its inline design makes it easy to integrate into existing cords. What people say. The GFCI outlet is a great safety feature for outdoor use. It's very portable and easy to move around. The design is compact and it's simple to plug in and use. Number 4. AIDA 3-foot Auto Reset GFCI Extension Cord. This GFCI outlet features patented auto monitor technology, performing self-tests every 5 seconds to ensure continuous protection. This exceeds UL standards for safety. Experience enhanced safety with its surge and lightning protection, capable of withstanding 6 kV. It's built for a long service life and has undergone rigorous factory testing. Designed for any environment, this GFCI boasts an IP65 water-resistant rating, exceeding UL standards. The built-in LED indicator confirms power is on. Installation is straightforward, requiring no ground wire and offering compatibility with various AWG sizes. Simply press the reset button to begin. Its durable construction makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. Use it with confidence for various power tools like saws, drills, and air compressors. This adapter provides a single outlet with a powerful output of 1875 W, perfect for demanding applications. It's UL and CUL listed for your peace of mind. What we like. This GFCI features an automatic reset function that tests itself every 5 seconds, ensuring continuous protection. If you're looking for a highly water-resistant GFCI with the convenience of auto-reset for outdoor equipment like pressure washers or hot tubs, this is ideal. It provides peace of mind with its frequent self-testing. What people say. The GFCI outlet is a great safety feature for outdoor use. It's very portable and easy to move around. The GFCI outlet provides reliable protection against electrical hazards. Number 3. OAONAN GFCI Adapter 15A 3 Prongs. This GFCI adapter is designed for ultimate safety. Its rugged, fire-resistant construction ensures reliable performance in any environment, from indoors to outdoors, even in harsh conditions. It's built to last with low power consumption and a long service life. It automatically self-tests every 5 seconds, ensuring it's always ready to protect you from electrical hazards. This advanced feature far exceeds industry standards for continuous safety monitoring. Its compact size makes it incredibly portable, fitting easily into your toolbox. Take reliable electric safety protection wherever you go, for both yourself and your valuable devices. Easily confirm that power is available with the clear power on indicator light. You'll always know when it's ready to go. With a 3-prong grounded plug and manual reset, it's perfect for a wide range of power tools and appliances. It ensures equipment doesn't restart unexpectedly after a trip, providing consistent protection for everything from saws to air conditioners. Enjoy peace of mind with an included 5-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and reliability of this essential safety device. What we like. This portable GFCI adapter is designed for ultimate convenience and safety on the go. If you need a compact solution that automatically self-tests frequently and comes with an extended warranty for peace of mind, this is perfect for your toolbox. It's great for protecting various appliances and tools in different locations. What people say. The GFCI outlet tester is a great tool for ensuring electrical safety. It quickly identifies wiring issues and open grounds. The compact design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. Number 2. Tripp Lite Eaton TLM812GF Heavy Duty Power Strip. Introducing a robust 8-outlet power strip designed for demanding environments. Its rugged metal housing comes in a bright, OSHA-compliant yellow, ensuring visibility and durability. The widely spaced outlets accommodate even bulky transformers. Safety is paramount with its integrated GFCI plug, offering protection against electrical shock, especially in damp conditions. It also includes a 12-foot grounded cord for extended reach and a lighted on-off switch with a 15-amp circuit breaker. This unit offers flexible installation with built-in keyhole slots. It can be easily mounted on walls, under desks, or on workbenches, adapting to your specific needs. Keep your workspace tidy with the integrated cord wrap arms. Easily store the power cable or connected device cords around the housing for neatness and accessibility. Rest assured with a lifetime limited manufacturer's warranty. Our expert technical support team is also available to assist you via phone, web, and email. Safety covers are included to protect unused outlets from dust and debris, ensuring longevity and preventing accidental contact. What we like. This heavy-duty power strip offers multiple outlets and a rugged, mountable design for organized workspaces. If you need to power several devices at once and want a durable, easily mountable solution for your garage or workshop, this is an excellent option. The bright yellow housing also enhances visibility and safety. What people say. The GFCI outlet has a built-in circuit breaker that trips automatically if it detects a ground fault, providing an extra layer of safety. It is designed to be portable and easy to move around, making it convenient for use in various locations. The GFCI outlet is compatible with standard extension cords and power tools, allowing for seamless integration into existing setups. Number 1. Tower Manufacturing 304388024 Auto Reset GFCI cord. This 15-amp GFCI is designed for easy use with standard grounded outlets and plugs. It provides reliable protection for your electrical needs. Featuring a standard 3-prong grounded plug and receptacle, this cord ensures secure and durable connections. It's built to last. Rated for safe outdoor use by UL and CUL, you can trust its performance in various environments. It's built to withstand the elements. Ensure a safe workplace with this OSHA-compliant cord. It meets strict safety standards, providing peace of mind. Constructed with a heavy-duty 12-3 SJTW cord, this product offers trustworthy operation. Its rugged assembly guarantees dependable performance. What we like. This inline GFCI offers an auto-reset feature and a triple tap, making it convenient for multiple tools. If you need a reliable GFCI for outdoor use that automatically resets and allows you to plug in up to 3 devices, this is a practical choice. Its rugged assembly is built for demanding environments. What people say. The GFCI outlet tester is a great tool for checking the safety of your outlets. It is easy to use and provides clear indications of whether the outlet is wired correctly. The compact design makes it convenient to carry around and use in different locations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.